Here is how to open YouTube Studio. First, you need to go ahead and launch your web browser. Go to youtube.com and log into your account. Tap on your profile picture icon in the top right corner of your screen. And here, make sure that you're in your correct account. Switch accounts if needed. And in the menu that appears, select YouTube Studio. This will take you to the studio. Alternatively, you can directly access YouTube Studio by typing studio.youtube.com. Enter this in your browser's address bar and press enter. Now, once you're in the YouTube Studio, you can navigate using the left-hand menu, and here you'll find options to manage your content, view analytics, engage with the community, adjust language settings, address copyright issues, customize your channel, and access the audio library. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.